You know how a good investor creates his portfolio? He creates it like this. Just have a look. This is how your portfolio should be. So see the various colors, shades, right? Of course, I'll take off from this saying how to create. In fact, if in your portfolio, if all your shares are in the green, or all your investments are in the green, or are there, or they're making profits, it means you're not diversified well enough. You should be losing money in some part of your portfolio. Some aggressive portfolio you should be losing, or some conservative portfolio you should be losing, right? There is no point in saying, oh, my portfolio, everything is in the green. Today it can be, if it's a long only portfolio and it's a very old portfolio, right? If you have a very old portfolio, you're making money in Asia, you're making money in Europe, you're making money in US, and you're making money in India. You're making money even in the Japanese fund, though may not be much, right? But that is not a very great sign, because if all your shares are making money, whether if India, Europe, US, everybody is making money for you, there is something wrong. Some fund, if you're not losing, it means there can be a day not very far away when all of them can be losing money. What happens if there is an equity fall from in all the markets of the world, right? If the whole world market is overpriced and everything falls, then what do? How do you manage that? So right now, where should you be invested? Where should your equity be invested, and what percentage should be invested where? So the best place to see this is to, of course, look at the world portfolio and see where the money is. So 47% of that should be in the US, right? Accordingly, about 3-4% should be in India, because you're an Indian, you will have an Indian bias. So your Indian bias will take you to more about India. So if you are indexing, you should be indexing in a complete world portfolio, and you should have a full variety. I think it is scary to be only in India. The foreign funds look good. Even Europe looks better than India because the PEs are lower. Even US looks cheaper than India because the PEs are lower. So plan accordingly. Create this beautiful bouquet like the one which I am showing you, right? So create a portfolio like this garden, beautifully manicured, well maintained by my friend and his wife. I'm staying here. We're doing a small investor meet, small investor conference, and this is how a portfolio is created. Can you notice the number of colors in the garden? And I'm showing you the garden and talking about your portfolio. I know you're not going to like it, but that's the truth. Bye. Will you believe it's 2 in the afternoon and the amount of mist? It's like walking through the clouds. We are in Kodaikanal Club for lunch, and this is the amount of mist here at our level.